लेकिन उसके ऊपर नजर रखना जरूरी है।
बचाते फिसला होगा पानी के अंदर, पानी बहा के ले गया कैसा है कल इसको मिले।
Good afternoon. My name is Amir Yaqub and I am Program Coordinator at Caritas Multan office. At this time we are in village Patiyat where almost 1000 families are directly affected through the floods which is caused because of hill torrents on Himalayan range. And here Mr. Shamla is with us. He and his family is badly affected through this flood, and according to him he has 10 acre of wheat which is totally destroyed, and he almost lost 2 lakh of amount of earning which he is supposed to get through this wheat. And after this we will visit more areas of this area of this Moza Tehsil, and we will see that what Caritas can do for these affected peoples.